promises, but you would never really take me far.
All the promises, but you would never really take me far.
All the promises, but you would never take them far. Your eyebrows, girl, is your relationship on fleek or not? I ain't put no effort, I was taking you to see the stars. You fooled me one day, me not knowing what you'll be tomorrow. We turned enemies, now that it's over. You said you down the ride, but now it's like you scared of the coaster. You a poster, can't come back from all the lies I was taking. Funny, your finish line, and after that your heart's still racing. So what's the truth? Who are you? Are we hanging? Where's the noose? Fake demeanor, that's the news. Her whole presence was a spoof. Out of school, still ain't learned my lesson. Maybe I was guessing first place. You was hardly second, what was you expecting? I had to pay, but feeling like I'm always free for you. But you ain't work, I'll get another, have my warranty on you. Guess I got no recognition for everything I've been for you. Just remember that it literally costs nothing to be loyal. Take the shot, right?
Don't ever worry, I'll hold you down, hold you down, hold you down, hold you down. I'll never leave you, I'll hold you down, hold you down, hold you down,
No matter
hold you down.
what afterlife. We ain't got nothing in common, she wonder if it's worth it. Girl, not being perfect is the reason why we perfect. While we rehearsing, thinking about the flaws you used to hold. Never had a dream, man, she claims she woke up years ago. But she's still nauseous, I approach her heart with caution. Dudes treat you like an auction, what's the cost to see your toppers? Wisdom put their head on marble flow. Lucky mine's was carpet, talking from the coffin, cause my will is speaking from my conscience. After death, walking up the steps, writing my regrets. All they want is sex, I'd be surprised if there's something less. Hit me with the text, talking about your ex became a pest. You see me in the stars and you wanna be my next bet. Write your name in constellation, put my soul inside your chest. That just give me confirmation that you trust what I expect. Never fold, unbreakable, last forever, that's a fact. Crush me in 1,000 pieces, bet my heart be still intact. Hey girl, bring it back.
Don't ever worry,